feeling of, oh my gosh, not only did I feel like I belonged, I felt like it was a support group that I didn't know I needed, and was just in this wonderful place on the water, getting the exercise I needed and getting the emotional needs met at the same time.
All right, good job, guys.
So we're going to need to catch manboat as well.
Discovered dragon boating after having prostate cancer. Found that it might be intriguing to join a group of people that had similar goals in mind.
We quickly learned with dragon boating, it's a team sport. It involves 20 or so of you in the boat, and it's all about the synchronicity and the timing and togetherness. I just loved it.
Kind of unspoken that they get it. They get what you've been through.
Archie slipped in right there next to Barbara.
The exciting thing to me was this whole gang, most of them, were cancer survivors. My God, this is amazing. I'm not seeing the kind of people I expected to see who have that invisible label of cancer survivors. You know, the sort of gray, pasty, wheelchair, vacant look faces. Oh, no, these were engaging, happy, but all of them thrilled to be here.
You immediately have this connection with other survivors.
You know, you're really at peace with yourself. Being on the water just gives you a new alternative to being healthy.
Feeling strong after being so weak, and for me, being close to nature and close to my Creator, that's my church, is being on that boat.